Hey everybody, Kenyon Banks is Southern Boys Outdoors.
What about me? Bruce the Alligator Man.
Got Bruce the Alligator Man from Swamp People. Guys, we're gonna show y'all a open box on the Loco 30-quart turkey fryer. Awesome device here. This one here is gonna be sold at Walmart this year. And awesome little turkey fryer. Me and Bruce used them last year and we absolutely loved them. So we want to do a little open box, show y'all how they go together and how easy they go together.
To put it together, all you need is a screwdriver.
Screwdriver
and a knife.
And a pocket knife.
And then we got that covered here.
There we go.
Don't let me cut you again, remember last time.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, so, woo, look at that nice turkey right there, guys.
I started to get a piece of that to eat.
All right, so first open it up, you got your screws, and then you got your instructions.
We don't need that.
Nah, we'll go keep it. Always go by your instructions. And you got how to cook a turkey also in there. So your next step here, first thing to come out is your lid. Take it out. What I really like about the Loco lid, and Bruce likes it too, is the hook where you can hang it up on the side of the pot. Awesome design. Yeah, you ain't got to put it in the in the dirt. Got the styrofoam, and cut those.
One down.
And first thing comes out is your burner. And got another cut right there.
Got it.
And we'll set that right there. Next to come out is the brains of the operation right there. And then the next thing to come out is the pot. And we'll get the pots out of our way. And we're going to unveil the pot. Check that out, guys. And that's the pot. That's an aluminum pot, 30 quarts. Beautiful pot, guys, ain't it? Look at that. All right, so first step you want to do when you're putting together your turkey fryer, here's your burner, and you're gonna put the bottom piece on. And you got a little lip right here, and you're gonna make sure that faces your 4 screws right here. So we're just gonna place it like that in here in the inside. And Bruce has got the screws laid out for me already. And we're gonna put them screws together right there. Where's that screwdriver at?
Right here.
Right there. And this takes 4 screws to put this here together.
Think you can do that?
I'm trying here. 4 little screws.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
You got it, man.
I'm already smelling turkey.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
So we got the 4 screws going in. Turn it around. And you use the shorter screws on these side pieces here. And we still use the screwdriver. We hadn't moved up to the
Electric stuff.
the electric stuff.
They don't trust
power
me that yet.
All right, guys. Next up is the brains of the operation. This here has your temperature control right here, and it goes in. And on the bottom, you see this screw right here. We'll go ahead and take that off. Take that wing nut off. There. And come on off of there. Around and. All right, so that there is going to go through that hole right there. And
That lifts up.
goes in there like that. And your wing nut goes on the bottom.
Go ahead and hook yours first.
I need that pan.
Yeah.
It goes on the bottom.
Got it?
And then you got a silver pan like this.
Just a drip pan.
It's a heat pan and drip pan. It goes under the bottom. And then you got a little wing nut goes on there.
Yeah, we're getting this thing.
Under the bottom.
You hooked in?
I'm hooked in. All right. And then the next is your longer screws. They go in here. That's your longer screws there. And you got 4 of them goes in.
I usually like to get them started before I tighten them down. They always line up right. Nothing to it. Just about there, y'all. It's gonna be long. We'll be frying turkeys. Mm. I'm just about to. You don't cripple me. We're good. Almost.
So your smart temperature control is in place now, and your pot goes on there like that, and it goes against here. Now this here will not let your grease burn. It will not let your grease get over 300 degrees. So it'll keep your grease from burning. Bruce is putting a turkey, what do they call that, Bruce?
Turkey holder.
Turkey holder, I guess, huh?
What's it do?
It holds the turkey.
So it's a turkey holder.
It's a turkey holder then. So you got your turkey holder right here. Put your turkey on it, on this rod here, and you just drop it down in. You got another hook like this. When it's hot, you use that.
Set it down.
Just like that.
And
you got your lid.
You got your lid that goes on. The good thing about your lid, when you take your lid off, see this little doodad right there? Hang it right there. Then you don't have to throw that lid in the dirt.
Awesome, awesome design by Loco Cookers. The little turkey fryer. Again, this one here will be available at Walmart. Oh, and we got a temperature. Right here, thermometer. To keep up with the temperature inside of the pot. It goes on there like that. There you go. It's ready to go.
Just about.
We're gonna fry some turkey today too.
All
All right, y'all. So we got 2 of these, 2 different models. We're gonna invite Andrea in from Loco Cookers, y'all. We got Andrea from Loco Cookers down in Louisiana. Her first trip ever to Louisiana, and we got another one we done put together here. And she's gonna tell us about the 2 different cookers and where they're available at.
Little different functionality here. So this one, they both have the smart temp, so like Kenyon mentioned, it'll automatically shut it off when it gets to a certain temperature. It's really what sets our turkey fryers apart from others on the market. This one is just, you press it and then you'll stick your lighter underneath of it and it'll automatically catch the flame. And then as mentioned, this one just has the turkey stand with metal hook. Yeah, stand. And then on this one comes with a basket, and then it also features our twist and drain technology. So if you lower it, you can twist it and set it down in the basket, and then when you bring it back up, set it down, and everything will drain out of it, and that's our twist and drain. And then on this one also, we have the silicone handle, and then this one has our Sure Spark, so there's no need for a match or a lighter or anything like that. You'll just connect it to propane, and it literally lights with the push of a button. And those are our turkey fryers this year. So Lowe's and Walmart.
Lowe's and Walmart. Hey y'all, awesome design. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so
Coming fast.
it's coming fast. So
Get your turkeys ready.
get your turkeys ready. Think about deep frying a turkey for Thanksgiving, and make sure you check out the Loco. You can also visit our website at lococookers.com. That's lococookers.com. Time to fry some turkeys. Thank y'all.
Bye.